going to show you how to make Italian flavored tomato paste. I'm going to start with tomato paste that I've made in my own kitchen, just to avoid the BPA lined cans that are in the supermarket. So what I do is I make the tomato paste in my home and I just jar them. I use them pretty often, so you can either freeze your own tomato paste or even just buy some nice organic brand that you know is not going to have a BPA lined can. So all I'm going to do is take my tomato paste and put it in a medium-sized bowl. And then I'm going to add my assortment of fresh herbs that I've chopped from my garden. So I've got a little bit of rosemary, fresh chopped, some parsley, and some fresh basil. So all I'm going to do is just incorporate